Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So the first thing you notice when you see this box is the big S9 Plus on there. Then on the side you'll see that it says Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and under that it'll say 64 gigabytes. Which means that this S9 Plus has 64 gigabytes, which is standard for these phones. If we look on the right side, there's nothing at all, but on the back it tells you the package contents. And a bunch of other stuff, like not using the phone in the water while you're charging it. Then on the left side it tells you the carrier, and it also tells you that I have the Midnight Black version. Lastly, the bottom of the box tells you the model number, the serial number, and pretty much everything else you would need to know. It's not that important for us, but let's move on to the stuff that is important. So we'll take this piece off, and there's a little sticker that I have to cut through. So I'm going to cut through that. So I got a razor blade and I carefully want to cut through it. I don't want to cut on the box. And then I'm just going to lift this up a little bit. This is a very nice setup. I personally like this better than what iPhone does with their boxes. It just makes it a little bit easier to get to the phone. There's a little pull tab and there's the phone. But first, let me talk about what's in this little pouch thing. There's a SIM card ejector, there's a little welcome start guide. This thing looks like a guide to show you how to transfer your stuff, and then this is the terms and conditions. Pretty standard stuff, you know, nothing too crazy. But let's put this back in here because I don't think we really care about that. And here is the Galaxy S9 Plus. But before we get to that, let's talk about the rest of the stuff that's in the box. We'll take out this little piece and the sticker with the IMEI information. And also they give us a SIM card, which I don't really need, but it's cool that they give us an extra one. So here are the other contents of the box. There's this little USB-C to USB-A plug, so then I think what they want you to do is plug in your old phone to this. I'm pretty sure that's why they give you that. And here is the adaptive fast charging block that they give you. I'm used to the white one, I've never seen it in black, but I think after the Note 7 they started doing that. Then this little area has a couple different things, like the AKG tuned headphones. And this little thing, this little thing has different earbuds for the headphones. And this is the USB-C cable. And I got all this stuff, so I'm just going to put it back in here. I also like to keep everything in the box because I got a bunch of these accessories, so just makes it look nice. I don't know, I'm weird maybe, who knows. Alright, so let's put all this stuff back in here, get this box back together, and get to the most important part. Or maybe the reason why you're actually watching this video. Or maybe you actually wanted to watch the unboxing and that's it. Either way, here's the phone. So I got a Midnight Black one, so the whole entire frame is black, the front is black, the back is black. I personally like this design. I know it's not too popular of a design anymore. I don't know why, but I think it looks nice. So let's power it up and take off this little screen protector. It pretty much is just telling you that the SIM card goes up here and also the SD card goes up there. Secured by Knox. That's interesting. So while this is powering on, I'll show you the rest of the phone. So on the bottom, let's let this focus. On the bottom it still has a headset jack. That's awesome. Also, you got a USB-C, a microphone, and a weird speaker. It's kind of odd, but looks cool. On the side, you got the volume buttons and the Bixby button. I personally am not a fan of Bixby, but whatever. On the top, you got the SIM card tray and the loudspeaker microphone. And on the right side, you have just the power button. Nothing crazy. The cool thing is on the back, you got the dual camera and you got the fingerprint scanner. And you still have a single LED flash. I always thought that was kind of weird. Alright, so it looks like it started up. Let's go through the setup. I'm just going to briefly go through this. I'm going to set this phone up later. But we'll agree to the terms and conditions and wait. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is interesting. It says setup intelligent scan. I'm going to skip through this, but pretty much what it does is it combines a facial recognition and the iris scanner together. So it uses it all at the same time. It just makes it recognize you quicker. Or they could have made the iris scanner better, but I mean, I guess this works too. Skip through all this, yeah, whatever. Okay, so we are all set. And here is the user experience. I like this because you just slide up and there's all your apps. I know some other phones use it, but I like this on the S8, so I'm glad they kept it on the S9. Again, I'm going to just set this up later. I don't want to deal with that right now. Well, this looks different. Maybe because it's, I think, yeah, it's on Android 8.0, so that's awesome. You got Oreo on this phone. I wonder when they're going to do it on the S8. Oh well, this phone is going to be taking over my S8, so I don't really care about that, but... And yeah, that's about it. I'll have a couple videos up soon and, you know, kind of do a review on this phone. That's kind of what I do on my channel. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Thanks for watching.